Attention. Did you know that 94% of American seniors over 60 are making a deadly muscle mistake every single day? You may be doing it right now without realizing it. It is a mistake that slowly steals your strength, your independence, and even your ability to live safely in your own home. Stay with me for the next 15 minutes because today I am going to share 10 cheap, everyday foods that can help support muscle building even faster than eggs, even if you are already in your 70s or 80s. What truly shocked researchers is this. When scientists analyzed more than 3,000 common foods for their impact on muscle health in adults over 60, only 10 consistently stood out. Just 10. For decades, eggs have been called the perfect protein. And while eggs can still fit into a healthy diet, aging changes how our bodies digest and absorb protein. Many adults over 60 do not use egg protein as efficiently as they once did. At the same time, concerns like cholesterol, sensitivity, circulation issues, and slower recovery become more common. That means protein choice matters far more after 60 than most people realize. What many seniors are never told is that there are simple, affordable foods hiding in plain sight at your local grocery store that may better support muscle repair, strength, and recovery after 60. No expensive supplements, no complicated meal plans, just practical foods that work with an aging body and a real-world budget. I want you to hear this clearly. Muscle loss after 60 is not inevitable. It is not a personal failure, and it does not mean your best years are behind you. Very often, it is the result of small nutritional gaps that can be corrected. In today's episode on senior healthcare, I will guide you through 10 budget-friendly foods that support muscle health, and I will explain how they work within your unique biology. Let us begin with the first cheap food on our list, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese may not look impressive, but for adults over 60, it is a powerful ally for muscle repair, especially overnight. Most muscle rebuilding happens while we sleep, not during the day. Many seniors stop eating protein in the evening, which leaves muscles underfed during this critical repair window. Cottage cheese is different from eggs because it is rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids gradually over several hours. This steady supply helps nourish muscles throughout the night and may reduce morning stiffness and weakness. In my clinical experience, seniors who add even half a cup of cottage cheese in the evening notice less stiffness when getting out of bed and more stability when standing. It also contains beneficial bacteria that support digestion, which is vital because better digestion means your body can actually use the protein you are eating. Now let us move to the second cheap food, tofu. Tofu often gets dismissed as bland or unfamiliar, but it is a surprisingly effective food for supporting muscle strength, especially for those who struggle with inflammation or cholesterol concerns. Tofu is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need for repair. What makes tofu especially interesting for seniors is its natural content of isoflavones. As hormone levels shift with age, muscle loss can accelerate. These plant compounds gently support the body's changing physiology. Furthermore, tofu is free of cholesterol, making it a smart choice for seniors with heart concerns or joint stiffness. Many older adults who replace heavy meats with tofu report feeling lighter and less fatigued in the afternoon. The third food on our list is chickpeas. Chickpeas offer a unique combination that many other proteins simply do not. They do not just help rebuild muscle, they help fuel it. After 60, Muscle weakness is often caused by unstable energy and blood sugar spikes. Chickpeas provide around 15 grams of plant-based protein, along with complex carbohydrates and fiber. This combination delivers slow, steady energy instead of quick spikes. For your muscles, that means consistent fuel to support walking and everyday movement without the afternoon crash. They are also rich in magnesium and zinc, which prevent cramps and support tissue repair. Next, we look at canned sardines. Sardines may be small, but they offer a massive combination of nutrients. Muscle loss is often driven by chronic, low-grade inflammation. Sardines help address this at the root because they are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats reduce inflammation and help muscles recover more efficiently after walking or gardening. They also deliver a critical bonus, vitamin D and calcium. Strong muscles need strong bones to attach to, and after 60, this combination is vital for balance and fall prevention. They also contain vitamin B12, which supports the nerve health required for your brain to send clear signals to your muscles. The fifth food is millet. Millet is an ancient whole grain that is often overlooked. It is a quiet game changer for muscle strength because it provides long-lasting energy. Refined grains like white bread cause blood sugar spikes that leave muscles feeling shaky and fatigued. Millet, however, delivers slow-release carbohydrates along with magnesium and iron. Magnesium plays a key role in muscle relaxation and helps prevent painful cramps, especially at night. Iron supports oxygen delivery to your tissues, which is essential as circulation efficiency naturally declines with age. Moving on to number 6, muscles. Muscle health is not just about the fibers themselves, it is about the connective tissue, the tendons and ligaments that hold everything together. Muscles provide high-quality protein along with zinc and taurine. Taurine is an amino acid involved in protecting muscle tissue and supporting muscle endurance as we age. Seniors who include mussels in their diet often report better grip strength and steadier legs. Grip strength in particular is one of the strongest indicators of independence as we age. The seventh food is nori seaweed. As we age, muscle weakness is often linked to missing trace minerals. Nori contains complete protein along with iodine, magnesium, and iron. These nutrients work together to support muscle contraction and cellular communication. One of nori's most interesting features is its content of bioactive peptides, tiny protein fragments that are absorbed more easily by aging digestive systems. This makes it an incredibly efficient way to replace the trace nutrients that support your coordination and balance. Number 8 on our list is spirulina. Spirulina is a natural blue-green algae that is one of the most nutrient-dense protein sources on the planet. Just 1 tablespoon provides complete protein along with powerful antioxidants. It has been studied for its role in reducing muscle fatigue and supporting cellular energy. Seniors who use spirulina often describe being able to walk longer and feel less drained after daily activities. It improves how efficiently oxygen reaches your muscle tissue, which is a key factor in maintaining your independence. The 9th food is tiger nuts. Despite the name, these are small root vegetables rich in arginine. Arginine helps your body produce nitric oxide, which relaxes and widens blood vessels, improving blood flow to your muscles. Better circulation means your muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients to support strength and recovery. They also contain potassium, which supports proper nerve signaling and reduces leg heaviness or nighttime cramps. Finally, we arrive at teff. Teff is one of the smallest grains in the world, but it offers something rare: a high amount of lysine. Lysine is an amino acid critical for collagen production. As we age, the breakdown of collagen can make our muscles and joints feel fragile. TEF helps repair this connective tissue, which directly affects your balance and walking confidence. It is a budget-friendly way to support not just your strength, but your overall stability. In closing, I want to remind you that your body has not stopped trying to heal. Even in your 70s or 80s, your muscles still respond when they receive the right nourishment. You do not need perfection, you need consistency. By choosing just a few of these affordable foods and eating them regularly, you are making an investment in your future. You are choosing to stay steady, stay strong, and stay independent. Thank you for being part of our community at the Seniors Routine. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone you care about. I would love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these muscle-building foods are you going to try first? Take care of yourselves, stay informed, and remember that your health is your greatest wealth.